Did you know that the average amount of sugar that you have in a can of pop is around 39 grams? That's around 9 teaspoons of sugar every time that you have one of those drinks. If you're trying to reduce the amount of sugar that you drink on a daily basis or remove the amount of pop that you're drinking constantly, then I would recommend you today's recipes. They're called Spritzers. Spritzers are a combination of fruits and a carbonated liquid. In this case, we're going to be using sparkling water or kombucha to make today's recipes. The only two things that you need actually is going to be fruits and carbonated liquid. That's it. The good thing about this one is that we can control the amount of sugar that we put on the drinks. In this case, we're going to be using honey as our main liquid, but you can use simple syrups, agave, or any other alternative that you want to try. Today's recipes are going to be quite simple. We have one with strawberries and mango, kiwi and blackberries, and dragonfruit and grapefruit. With all that being said, let's get into today's recipes. I hope that you enjoyed today's recipes. As you can see, they were quite simple to do. The only two things that we need again are fruits and a carbonated liquid. You can pick the carbonated liquid that you enjoy the most: sparkling water, kombucha, club soda, tonic water, whatever you want to do. You can even buy flavored sparkling water if you want to make everything a little bit different, if you're getting tired of the same flavor profile. The other great thing about these ones is the control that we have with the sugar. So you can use all kinds of sugar that you want to try: white sugar, brown sugar, agave. Try to stay away from white sugar if you want to, because it's not the healthiest. Or you can even do a simple syrup, which are equal parts sugar and water. So 1 cup to 1 cup, half a cup to half a cup. Put it in a pot, let it dissolve, ready to go. probably make a video in the future about simple syrup so I can show you different combinations of herbs, spices, and even other fruits so you can make flavor simple syrups. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any recommendations for fruits, juices, or any kind of theme that you want to see in the future. And as always, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.